Hey guys, welcome to From the Witch's Garden. My name is Peggy and I am trying to grow a cut flower garden here on my allotment in Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan. Thanks for checking out my channel. Okay, so today I am planning on getting my sweet pea in. I'm a little bit worried though. Wow, look at that root from my amaranth. I am a little bit worried because I was planning on doing this at the beginning of the week, and I brought all my sweet pea down and then I didn't have time. I was clearing out the garden as much as I could and I just didn't have time to get these in the ground. So these have been sitting out for about 4 or 5 days and it's been cold and they're not looking healthy. They're looking a bit sad and they were so good. They were doing so well. This guy looks like he's gone. My poor sweet pea. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to prep the ground, I'm going to put them in anyway, but I might just come down later on this week and pop a few extra seeds in. I'm still in December, I've still got plenty of time to get these seeds in the ground. These are just the ones I started off at home. So if these fail, I do have other ones that I can put in the ground as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do this anyway. That's the plan. My poor sweet pea. Oh, they're looking a bit sad, aren't they? Okay, so although I like to do most of the allotment using the no dig method, I am actually going to dig here. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to dig a trench, and about 25-30 centimeters deep I'm going to put a little line of well-rotted manure down, so that when my sweet pea roots hit that point, which is about the time they're starting to flower, they're going to get a nice feed as well. So I am actually going to go ahead and dig 2 wee trenches where I'm going to be putting these in. Next, I'm going to put some compost down on the top, a nice layer of fresh compost, just to add a little bit more nutrition to the soil. And now, I'm going to build my frame. Ta-da! Nice and easy. These are 1.8 meter poles and then just some garden canes at the top, and I have tied them with cable ties. Yep. Nice and easy. Now for some netting. Okay, netting's up, so next I need to get them in the ground. I have 2 types of sweet pea I'm putting in. The normal kind of common sweet pea, I guess, that I just got at the local garden centre, and I also have a really nice mulberry mix one, which is a lovely kind of through violets and purples into a really deep purple kind of aubergine colour. So I'm going to plant my mulberry ones maybe at the front and then the other ones at the back. That's the plan. Okay, that's them all in the ground. A couple of them look like they might not survive. They've kind of passed the point of return. But that's them all in, so I'm going to give them a really good drink now. Sweet pea like lots of water all the time. So it's a lovely day today. I'm going to give them some water now before the temperatures drop for this evening, and then I'll come back and try and give them a good water every couple of days, if not every day, just until they get established and I see that they're actually going to grow. If any of them start to fail, I will just come down and pop a seed in next to where I've planted them and just, I guess, do a bit of succession planting. Unplanned as always. But yeah, I'm going to give them a water and that'll be us done. And we're done! Yes! First things of the year in the garden. How exciting! Oh, it feels so nice to be getting a proper jump on the season and getting things in at the right time this time. I just hope that these guys survive. I mean, first flowers going and I've kind of messed them up a little already. Yeah. So let's see if these guys survive, and if not, I'll come down and plant a couple of more. But that's all from me today. If you guys want to follow along and see what happens with this garden, remember to hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!